Welcome. If you're looking to stop Instagram's automatic picture-in-picture, or PIP, from popping up on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has introduced more ways to control your viewing experience. And today I'll guide you step by step on how to block automatic PIP permission right from your desktop. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're using the web version, simply head to Instagram.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look towards the top of the page for the three dots icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner. Click on those three dots to open up a menu with more options. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you into the settings area, where you can manage various aspects of how Instagram behaves on your device. Once you're in the settings, look for an option labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on this to expand additional controls that aren't always visible by default. Now, scroll through the list until you find the section called Automatic Picture-in-Picture. This is the feature that allows Instagram videos to pop out and continue playing in a small window even when you navigate away from the main app screen. If you find this distracting or unnecessary, you'll be happy to know you can block it here. Next to Automatic Picture-in-Picture, you'll see a toggle or a drop-down menu. Choose Block. This will prevent Instagram from opening videos in a floating window without your permission, giving you a more streamlined and less interrupted browsing experience. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control over automatic PIP on Instagram for your PC. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to these settings and adjust the permission as you like. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a distraction-free Instagram experience.